be doing a Moon's Harvest bath bomb demo. I still have a couple more little bit Easter themed bath bombs that I want to get through. This one here is called Bird Bath, and it's super cute, pink and yellow. It looks like a little bird's nest on top with these 2 eggs that I believe are bath melts. So this should be a super moisturizing bath bomb. And the scent on this is so sweet. It's like blackberries, like a sweet berry, sweet sugary berry is how I would describe it. It smells beautiful. So we're gonna stick this in and see what it looks like. Our bird bath bomb is all fizzed out, and we have some gorgeous bath art on top of our water. That pink and yellow mixed together to make a very bright orange bath water, and then we just have a nice pink and some blue and a little bit of that orange there. Very pretty bath art. The smell of this is fantastic. Definitely has a strong, like, sweet, fruity smell to me. It smells so good. So I'm going to fill up my tub the rest of the way and hop on in here, and I'll be back with what I thought afterwards. Alright guys, I'm finished with my bird bath, Moon's Harvest bath bomb. I don't have anything to clean up in the tub. I really did enjoy this bath bomb. I thought it made beautiful bath art on the water. It smelled awesome. Love the scent, and it was also very moisturizing as well. So everything that I enjoy in a bath bomb. So let me know what you guys thought down below. If you're not already subscribed, just hit that button, and I will see you next time.